Imagine this. It's a hectic Wednesday evening, the kids are starving, and you're craving something crispy, delicious, and healthy. You don't have hours to spend in the kitchen, and you definitely don't want a greasy mess to clean up. Enter the Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1, compact and large 6QT, a game changer that delivers restaurant-quality meals with up to 95% less oil. Whether you're a busy parent, a foodie, or just someone who loves convenience, this air fryer is about to become your go-to kitchen companion. Let's dive into why this sleek gray powerhouse is worth every penny and how it can transform your cooking game. Why the Cosori Air Fryer stands out. The Cosori Air Fryer isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a culinary revolution. With its TurboBlaze technology, 9-in-1 versatility, and a spacious 6-quart basket, it's designed to make cooking faster, healthier, and downright fun. From perfectly roasted chicken to golden fries, this air fryer delivers beyond crispy results with precise temperature control ranging from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to a sizzling 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it's whisper quiet and dishwasher safe so you can focus on enjoying your meal, not scrubbing pans. Here's what makes this air fryer a must-have. TurboBlaze Technology. A 3,600 RPM fan speed and high heat ensure juicy mains and crispy sides every time. 9-in-1 versatility. Roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, reheat, proof, and more, all in one compact machine. Healthier cooking. Enjoy fried favorites with up to 95% less oil, guilt-free. Family-sized capacity. The 6-quart square basket handles meals for 4 to 6 people without crowding your counter. Whisper quiet operation. At under 53 decibels, it's quieter than a conversation, even on high settings. Solving real cooking struggles. Let's face it, cooking can be a hassle. Traditional frying leaves oil splattered everywhere, ovens take forever to preheat, and juggling multiple appliances eats up time and space. The Cosori Air Fryer tackles these pain points head-on. Its TurboBlaze technology cuts cooking time significantly, so you can whip up a family feast in minutes, not hours. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket means cleanup is a breeze. No more soaking pans overnight. And with precise temperature control, you'll never worry about undercooked chicken or soggy fries again. For busy moms like Sarah, who juggles work and family dinners, this air fryer is a lifesaver. I used to dread making weeknight meals, she shared. Now, I toss in some veggies and chicken, set it to roast, and dinner's ready before the kids start complaining. Plus, it's so quiet I can actually hear myself think. The benefits. That'll hook you. What's in it for you? Let's break down the top reasons this air fryer deserves a spot in your kitchen. Crispy perfection every time. The advanced airflow and 5-fan speed system deliver evenly cooked dishes with that golden crunch you crave. Whether it's wings for game night or a quick batch of donuts, the results are flawless. Health without sacrifice. Craving fried chicken but watching your oil intake? This air fryer uses up to 95% less oil, letting you indulge without the guilt. It's a win for your taste buds and your waistline. Time-saving magic. With TurboBlaze speeding up cooking and a customizable preheat function, you'll have more time to relax or tackle that never-ending to-do list. Who's this air fryer for? The Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1 is perfect for anyone who wants to simplify cooking without compromising on flavor. It's ideal for busy families. Feed 4 to 6 people with ease, from picky kids to hungry teens. Health-conscious foodies, enjoy fried textures with minimal oil. Small space dwellers, its compact design fits snugly on any counter. Culinary explorers, experiment with baking, dehydrating, or proofing dough like a pro. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, the included 30-recipe cookbook and cooking charts spark inspiration. I tried their spicy sweet potato fries recipe, and let's just say my friends are still begging for the secret. A few things to keep in mind. No product is perfect, so let's be real. The 6-quart basket is fantastic for families, but if you're cooking for a crowd of 10, you might need to work in batches. Also, while the controls are intuitive, it takes a couple of tries to master the fan speed settings for delicate dishes like proofing bread. That said, the user manual and recipe guide make the learning curve a breeze. Why it's a smart investment. At its price point, the Cosori Air Fryer delivers unmatched value. You're getting a versatile, high-performance appliance that replaces half your kitchen gadgets. Think about it. No more juggling a deep fryer, oven, and dehydrator. Plus, the energy-efficient design saves on electricity compared to heating a full oven. For the quality, durability, and sheer convenience, it's a steal. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.